Hey everybody, this is Miss Vella. In this video, I am showing you how to make a copy. Remember, you will not be able to edit these slides unless you make your own copy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to File, and you're gonna click on that, and you're gonna scroll down to Make a Copy, and then you are going to select Entire Presentation. And then I want you to label this your name. So say my name is John Smith. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to click on Make a Copy. And then my copy is going to open up in a new window. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to follow the instructions right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be clicking on this link. And I'm going to be going to this website. And it'll open up in a new window. And then you start taking the interest profiler and you just follow all the instructions in the slides. And remember, there is a how-to video for this project also located on the project page. And feel free to email me or text me if you need any other help.